Hey, how are you? Thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making lemon bars. It's one of those like retro vintage recipes that's been around for decades, but still super delicious and people love them wherever you take them. We're going to start with the crust. I've got a cup of melted butter here. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to it, of salt, half a cup of sugar, and it's going to be 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of flour. And I've already run my whisk through the flour, so it doesn't need to be sifted. Half a cup, 1 cup, 1.5, 2, and if you hear dogs whining in the background, I apologize. My husband and his best friend are in the back demolishing a deck that's going to get replaced, and my dogs are just dying to go outside and play with them. So I had to put them in the bedroom because they were just barking nonstop, and now instead of barking nonstop, they're whining nonstop. But as soon as I get done with this video, I'll let them out and then they can bark till their heart's content. Okay, so there's the batter for this is basically just like shortbread, like a shortbread cookie. That's what this is. I've got parchment paper here lined up in my 9x13 glass dish. And I just washed my hands. In the oven it goes. Okay, our crust is almost ready, so we might as well get our filling done. This is 6 tablespoons of flour, and I need 2 cups of sugar, half a cup, 1 cup, 1.5, 2. I'm just going to whisk the flour and the sugar together. This recipe could not be easier. I mean, I think there's like a total of 7 ingredients or something. It's crazy how easy it is. Okay, so this is 6 eggs, which I've already beaten. And this is a cup of fresh lemon juice. Anyway, that's lemon juice that I freshly squeezed. You don't want to use lemon juice out of a bottle. It doesn't even compare. Okay, so our crust is ready, our filling's ready. Just making sure that's all whisked together good. Now I'm going to pour this right on top of the warm crust and put it right back in the oven. Okay, so we're ready to finish our lemon bars. I'm going to pull them out of the pan, put them over here. Now the edges are not as nice as I would like them to be, so I'm going to straighten up the edges before I cut the rest of them. But first I'm going to put on the powdered sugar. These will be what me and my husband will snack on. The edges. Okay, so everything's nice and square now. I'm gonna go 3 rows long ways. See how perfect those are? So easy to make. So I hope you make these and they turn out great, just like these did. And if you want to see any more of my recipes or my videos, you can go to my website at rhondasthriftykitchen.com. But thanks for baking with me today, and I hope to see you soon.